Today we're going to show you how to use this glue gun. Right now we've plugged it in to 110. We've got it setting, see that little steel bar? That keeps this hot part from burning the snot out of your, whatever you're putting it on. We're going to glue these things here. We need the right glue thing to stick in there. I think these are them. They're the 4 foot by 0.28. Different glue guns have different size ones that you can put in there. The way you can figure it out is by taking it and just kind of like putting it in that hole right there. You see what I mean, jelly beans? And then we're just going to go ahead and glue up this thing and see if it works. Cross your fingers, we do a good job. All right, so you know how this works. What you do is you're squeezing this and it's pulling this glue, this solid glue through, and it's heating it up, and then it squirts out the end. All right, so here we are, we're ready to go. We got to glue here and here. So we just got to figure out which one goes on where so that we can match it up and then put it, in the right spot. So I've got to look at it. I'm thinking that one doesn't seem like that should be there. Maybe this one goes here. I think that one goes there. And I think this one goes here. Like that. I'm thinking. Does that make sense? Let's take a look at it. Because it would be long, short, long, right? Just like that. And that should do it. This one all broke off here. But yeah, okay, let's do this. All right, so this has got some glue on it right here. So I think I need to kind of peel that off so I can match it up right. I'm pretty sure I need to do that. Okay, so now I've got it peeled off, and so now we can probably match it right. I'm thinking that this one kind of fits right in there like that.
Yeah, it does.
So all we got to do is glue it. Now I got the extra glues, thick things. So now we're going to just squirt it all over it like that.
That's a hard piece.
Okay, you remember how to put it on?
Where's the thing? Yeah, I have another one. This is just the mini. I had another gun. I don't understand where it is.
Wow, you're really gluing it up. All right, let's see if we can get it on there. Now you can't even see where it goes now. Oh, there you go. That's it right there. Okay, now we just gotta let it sit there. Should we put something on? Let's put something under it.
Just hold this here 1 second. Just hold it.
All right, should we put something under there? How long does it take to get hard? You're moving it. She's smushing it around with a toothpick. We're going to put more on. We're super gluing it.
This should basically be stable.
You think so? Seems to be.
Okay.
That's kind of holding it up.
Yeah, I have to turn it over and do the other side.
Well, should we let it dry a little bit first?
Yeah.
Or should we put this one on?
Now I'm going to do one at a time.
Okay. How long does it take for it to
Just minutes.
get hard? That's like, is it a glue or a wax?
It's glue.
Oh shoot, is it stuck to the paper? Oh
Okay,
shit.
put it over the paper. Here, you hold this. Just touch this.
Okay, got it.
Can you walk with it?
I don't know.
Keep it just
Okay, I'm
down-
trying to
down
keep
a
it
little.
even.
Down a little.
I'm trying to keep it even.
Okay.
Okay. Is it gonna harden?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Here, hang on, I got it.
No, I want it in the right there.
Well, it's got to be straight, right?
Yeah.
It's leaning a little bit. Here, let me just hold it. Do we need something to set it on?
Wait.
Whoa, whoa, honey. You're smushing it everywhere. Here, put it under one of these so it's up a little bit. There we go. Now it's perfect position. So we got to let that one dry first, right?
Yeah, it's just minutes.
You can let go of it now. I put that right there
Yeah,
to
I'm
keep
just
it.
pushing it against it.
Oh, okay. So you're getting some tension there. I mean, even without those two pieces, it looks pretty good still.
Yeah, it's just because I have them, I'm going to do them.
Yeah, why not? I mean, should we just glue that one on too? I think that one goes, yeah, that way. And I think you're going to just have to stick it like, let's get a couple of these out of here. Now it's got to go the other way.
It goes like that.
Yeah, and then you got to fill it in.
Yeah, but it doesn't hit.
Because this got a bunch of stuff on it.
Yeah, I know.
You can get it off of there, then maybe it'll fit better.
Usually I keep it.
All right, so we're ready to go. We're going to do this side. Got extra ones. Here we go.
You know how old these are?
Oh, I
They're
don't know.
probably 30-something years old.
But they still work, you know what I mean?
Well, I've colored them, painted them.
Oh, you mean the snowflake?
Snowflakes, yeah.
Snowflakes are 30 years old.
Yes. What'd you think I meant?
I thought maybe you meant the glue sticks.
No.
Don't burn yourself with this. Let me move that out of the way. All right, that looks good. Now maybe I put a glue stick under it. Oh, look at that. That's staying up. That's not even. Yeah, stick that under it. There you go. Bam, done. Now we just let it get hard. See what she's doing. All right. Now, do we paint it afterwards?
No, I'll just get some, I'll just get the hot glue, put it on it, and do some sprinkles over that, and it'll be fine. No
Right.
painting.
Should I go ahead and hang the other ones?
Yeah, I have to figure out, I don't know where they go. They go in just the exact place, or they don't, there's only 5, so.
All right. All right, and so that's how you use a hot glue gun. See how that little thing's going down there? That's the glue melting. Yeah, I noticed you just lay it on its side. Shouldn't you put it on the, like this?
Doesn't matter.
So it doesn't burn
It's too
anything?
hot in here. I need to turn the air on.
All right. Well, anyway, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our snowflakes.
Me?
All right, I gotta say, that looks pretty darn good. Now we just gotta get our Christmas tree up.
No tree.
Tree! I want a tree.
tree.
I'm gonna go get one.
No, I don't want one.
All right, if you like this video, you must like Christmas.